Hi, Kumars! Gawa tayo ng tomato sauce, yellow tomato sauce. Ayan. Sautian natin to this. Okay. Our tomato sauce, let's saute first our onions, garlic, pepper, lang. Okay, next is our tomato. Ayan, hayaan natin maluto. We don't put sugar. Hayaan natin maluto. Okay, Kumars, lagyan natin ng basil, dried or fresh if you want. Salt. Okay, let it cook more. Okay, yun guys. More pa hanggang lumapot. Okay, walang tubig yan ha. It's all tomato juices. Okay, lagyan natin parsley. Lagyan na maluto. Okay. Here's our tomato sauce. We can use more. Thank you, Kumars.